Nakitlong kari kasi. Ngiwan lam siya pi ko sngur bakhuit pat pasngem. Ka beats aqua. Shpausnem dang yai pinja sliang.
Our generation never had influencers. I did know one influencer. It was my dad's right hand.
Been hearing about you a lot, Shillong. On March 27th. Get your tickets so you don't miss out on the laughs. Let's make this special.
Kakinhon seng bhalang Nagaru Hills kata Garo Students Union ringgat ki nongelam niam nongelam balang bat ki pat ba nong shong shnong ki balong riu rang ba na rilum Garo mendaga singi ka arpu sautrik luber ajar arpun riu ki lalet banya kendo yulat ke jella UCH Vijaya Shankar hayeng saulat halor ka jingkwa bat kendo yulat badai ban pelong kongsan ya ka schedule tribe ya ki bat have vote ne yakon election ha GHADC nangta ban pen kelai ka rule shispa arpu pra bracket e da ka babsu ka kentien ka boong ki dong shong shnong riulum ka rilum Garo khnangba ki bamde riulum ki nomyo lat ban have vote ha district council nakalyang president ka GSU uteng sak gabel momen habakran ki nong thok khubor lo ong ba ka kendhun klapen sngo shu lat ka jilla halor ka sernot ST bat ru ban pen kala ya ka para khat ar bracket e jangariti sanchar kari ban pen ne pensa ya ka hok jongi trai ri trai muluk bat pen kalai ka rule shispa ar phupra jong ke AD rules khat khandai pasan phupra ki dekot ka GSU gila ai khuble bat sngongo ru khasi bat jantia bat ki wei pat ki jai ben riulum ha ka than chatela mingi kar India ki blai ka jingkar shan ki riulum Garo hakani ka jia ki ka badang shan ha padang ki wei pat ki jai ben riu
as you've seen and you also know that there has been a disturbing situation going on in Garo Hills regarding the participation of the non-tribals in the district council. You all know that one. So as a matter of fact, we met the government for one point only, that the scheduled tribe certificate be made mandatory. It must be made mandatory for any participation for voting or contesting in the district council election. That is one of the point. Now another point is amending Rule 128. Actually, Rule 128 A. So we asked the governor that certain words should be inserted. Just like indigenous scheduled tribe of Garo Hills must be inserted in that particular rule. And another is this one, District Council Composition Executive Committee Chapter 1 General. Here for qualification for membership, again paragraph 8A, this word indigenous scheduled tribe of Garo Hills must be inserted so that non-tribals cannot vote in the district council. So we talk about amending the para 12A also. This discussion has been going on because we have a series of meeting with the KSU also, FKGJP here in Shillong also. So we have been asking for the amendment of the para 12A because this para 12A, the government of Meghalaya incessantly interferes in the district council rules through this para 12A. So we talk with the governor whether there is a possibility to amend the para 12A. So the governor has been his response has been quite positive, and the governor was talking about SIR also, whether SIR should be implemented before commencing with the district council elections. So these are the certain things we have discussed with the governor, and the governor said that the honorable chief minister has met with the honorable governor also. So they have discussion regarding the some amendments in the rules, election rules. Some amendments in the election rule, particularly the mandatory scheduled tribe certificate, which must be possessed by any person to contest or vote in the district council election. Asi brothers, my Jaintia brothers, I'm very, very grateful to all the tribals, indigenous tribals of Northeast, because all of them have been calling me up and saying that we are together. Even my Khasi brothers, they said they will be fighting together with us also. If needed, I need to call upon them only, so they will be coming. So I'm very, very grateful. I'm very, very thankful. Thank you, my Khasi brothers. Thank you, my Jaintia brothers and sisters. Thank you.
Yesterday, this council in a special session, they have passed a resolution and amending that 128. So what do you have to say on this?
Regarding the amendment of Rule 128, yes, that's what I've stated. Rule 128, I think they have not talked about amending the Rule 128 actually, but yes, in a way, So that's why I was saying indigenous scheduled tribe of Garo Hills must be included in that amendment.